If someone have told you that this hair is actually her hair, would you have believed the person? Let's find out.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. I am super excited about today's video because I'll be showing you how I recreated this beautiful wig style using my own natural hair. This wig actually cost 26 pounds here in UK. So now I'm going to be showing you how I did this wonderful hairstyle. Well, I've already prepped my hair off camera to make sure it is moisturized and ready for styling. For my prep, I use water, leave-in conditioner, and oil to hydrate and keep my curls soft and defined. This makes it much easier to manage my natural hair, especially when creating a style like this. So I didn't blow out my hair. I didn't blow dry my hair at all because I wanted to keep my natural curls pattern intact for the look. So now that the hair is fully prepped, I'm jumping straight to styling the hair since I'm recreating a voluminous wig style. I want to make sure I get the same definition and shape with my natural curls, so I'm starting by working in sections and doing some medium size twists, as you can see on the video. These twists are going to give me the defined chunky curls that I need to match the wig. Well, I'm twisting tightly from the roots all the way down to the tips, making sure each twist is smooth, and this will help me maintain a neat coil pattern and gives me the style give the style more structure, if you know what I mean. So look at that coils, guys. Just look at that popping. It's popping out. I just can't wait for the result of this hair. So guys, once I'm done twisting all this hair down, I went in using my rollers to roll the tips of my hair one after the other. Not one after the other. I just took little bit, I rolled it, and then let it be. That is what I do for the rest of the hair. So once all the twists are done and the rollers have been in place, I'm going to let them set. You can actually leave them in overnight. I did leave mine overnight or for a few hours if you don't have time, just to make sure the curls are fully formed. I'm using a bit of oil on the twist, which I also did off camera, to keep everything moisturized while they set. This is one of the best way to achieve defined curls without using any heat. If you're enjoying this tutorial, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more hair tutorials and styling tips. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried recreating any style like this before, or if you have any other looks you would like me to try. Thank you so much. So guys, this is how the hair is looking so far. Oh, and two strands of twists are sticking out, so I have to put them in place. So this is the next morning, guys. I'm going to be applying oil in this twist just to avoid too much frizz and to keep those coils nice and defined. So this is me applying it. I'm applying at the back and also on the twist. And now I gently unraveling the coils one after the other. Look how careful I'm going, and look at that coils at the tip. It is really giving. I like the coils. So now I'm unraveling the hair, trying to be gentle as possible so that I won't disturb that coils. That coils should be popping. Just look at those coils. Look at how juicy the coils are looking. Oh my god, I can't wait for this result. So while unraveling this, I discovered there was a knot in my hair. So I cut a scissors and then cut it off instead of stressing that coil. I had to cut it off, and That's the, look at the amount of hair I just lost. Yeah, I lost that hair. Anyway, it's fine. Just look at those curls. Man, look at those curls. I just shake my hair for more volume and check around to see if there is still twist I have to unravel. And this is me giving it a final complete look, adding the scarf to it. I was actually struggling, guys. I was struggling with this, trying to achieve that look of, you know what I mean. Just look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It look exactly as that wig I was talking about. Just look at that. This is 26 pounds hair. That's 26 pounds wig. When I can do this at home with my hair. If you have a long hair or you have a medium hair, you can achieve this. So what are you waiting for? I also use a few bobby pins to secure some of the coils in place so that it will give it that finished polish look. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It's just like the wig but with my natural hair. And that's it, guys. Here's a final look. My own natural hair style to recreate a gorgeous wig look. I love how it turned out, and it's a great example of how versatile natural hair can be. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you, guys. See you in my next
It's
one.
Rita,
Bye.
baby.